This is a quick video that's designed for Module 1 to help students think about how discussion boards are contributing to our learning in this course. In Module 1, you'll see there is a folder that contains a video, and it talks about participating in the discussions and what's important in terms of the realities of grading those discussions. You can read the notes here or watch the little Powtoons video. Another idea that I'd like to share with you is a way to get the most from discussion forums. And I'm actually in a discussion board for another semester's course last fall. As you can see, it's the same discussion that we're working on this week. And if I am reading through my peers' discussions, and if I'm a student in this class, one of the things that I want to be looking for is how the student is working with examples from their own experience or their life, the connections that they're making, and the way that they are connecting them to the readings that we're doing for the week, because that's part of the transfer of learning that we'll be talking about. So let's say that as I'm reading through here, I notice that one of my peers has said something that I think, this is an idea I want to come back to. They're, for instance, exploring behaviorist versus cognitivist theories, and I think that's a really good example that will help me remember the difference. And so I'm going to set a flag so that I can find that later on when I want to better understand a key idea. And you'll see as I go back to the discussion board, flags that I have set appear in the left-hand column. Another feature that I can use is to use the search feature in the discussion board. So let's say that I'm working on an assignment later in the semester, and I want to return to the idea of epistemology, and I can search for that and see all of the posts that referenced epistemology, whether they were mine or someone else's. So hopefully these little tips will help you get the most of our discussion boards.